Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic for chimney business owners who want to take their online presence to the next level. We'll be discussing effective SEO strategies specifically tailored for chimney cleaning businesses. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Conduct keyword research. Start by conducting thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and valuable keywords for your chimney cleaning business. Focus on keywords related to chimney repair, chimney cleaning, and chimney inspection. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website's content, including your titles, headings, and meta tags. This will help search engines understand the relevance of your website for those specific search terms. Tip number 2. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. A responsive design will improve user experience and boost your search engine rankings. Create informative and engaging content on your website that provides value to your audience. This could include articles on chimney maintenance tips, common chimney problems, and DIY chimney care. Include high-resolution images and videos showcasing your chimney cleaning services and expertise. Visual content can engage visitors and increase the likelihood of sharing on social media platforms. Tip number 3. Build quality backlinks. Focus on building high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites within the home improvement and chimney industry. Seek out partnerships, collaborations, and guest posting opportunities with industry influencers and relevant websites. Leverage online directories and local business listings to enhance your website's visibility. Ensure your business information is accurate and consistent across all platforms. Engage with your audience on social media platforms and encourage them to share and link to your content. This can help attract more backlinks and improve your website's authority. Tip number 4. Local SEO optimization. Optimize your website for local searches by including location-specific keywords in your content and meta tags. For example, use keywords like chimney repair in your city or chimney sweep services near your location. Claim and optimize your business listing on Google My Business and other local directories. Provide accurate and up-to-date information, including your address, phone number, and business hours. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and HomeAdvisor. Positive reviews can significantly improve your local search rankings and attract more customers. Tip number 5. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. This will provide valuable insights into your visitors' behavior, popular pages, and conversion rates. Keep an eye on your keyword rankings and make necessary adjustments to your SEO strategies. Stay up to date with search engine algorithms and industry trends to stay ahead of the competition. Analyze your competitors' online strategies to identify opportunities for improvement and innovation. And there you have it, 5 essential SEO tips and strategies to elevate your chimney cleaning business online. By implementing these techniques, you can improve your search engine rankings, attract more qualified leads, and ultimately grow your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other chimney business owners. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.